Hi, I'm George the Weather Dad, and it's time for your weekly planner. Unfortunately, if you like warm temperatures, this is not the way to start off the week. In fact, I'm wearing a sweater because Monday is going to be very chilly. Take a look at the very cool colors across the Midwest. We were finding blues, greens, and yellows. That means temperatures are going to be well below normal. Some 5 to 10, maybe as much as 15 degrees below normal. And normal temperatures across this area of the country in the 50s, the Ohio Valley in the middle 60s, and down around the Tennessee Valley, you're down into the 70s. Now, on Monday, we're going to see some showers developing. We call these instability showers because right now, remember, we're getting close to May, so we have a fairly intense sun. And with these cold temperatures in place, we kick off what we call instability showers. You can see them there in Indiana and Ohio and portions of Kentucky. Nothing heavy in this area, but up to the north, up in Wisconsin and Michigan, in northern Indiana and northern Ohio, you could be looking at some snow showers there for you. Tuesday, fortunately, we start rebounding nicely. We're back into the yellows, which means temperatures should be pretty close to normal on Tuesday. Not much precipitation, just a few showers showing up there in Missouri. The big warm-up starts on Wednesday. Look at the nice warm colors starting to work its way into the Midwest. Certainly a lot of you here will be in the 80s. Evansville, St. Louis, certainly you could be close to 80. The rest of us will be in the pleasant 70s. Precipitation, not much going on with the exception of Wisconsin. There could be some severe weather there for you as the next system taking aim on the Midwest starts to intensify, and that will show up on Thursday. Thursday also, you see these darker colors starting to migrate east. Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee, certainly I think 80s are a good bet for you, but starting to notice again more blues and greens showing up in the northern plains. That front I'm talking about gets very active on Thursday. We could be looking at severe weather from the Canadian border all the way down to the Gulf Coast, right along the Mississippi River Valley there. So those of you in this area, be weather alert. Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky is going to be a fairly dry day, maybe a little breezy as we see those warm southerly breezes bringing up those 80-degree temperatures. Friday, things change. You see us back into the yellows here, so we'll be closer to normal. The really nice temperatures retreat back towards the south and southeast. The front itself sets up right along the Ohio Valley, stretching up towards the northeast. There will be showers and thunderstorms developing probably late Thursday night for this area and on into your Friday. We could be looking at some severe weather developing too, so we have to keep an eye on that. But I think the best chance of severe weather will be St. Louis, Memphis, and points towards the south. Now, the National Weather Service has also come out with their extended forecast. This is their 6 to 10 day look from next Saturday to the following Wednesday. That takes us to April 26th. And notice, a large part of the country well below normal. Precipitation-wise, that's pushed down towards the southeast. The rest of us are going to be fairly dry. And that's thanks to a large area of high pressure right out of central Canada, bringing on those colder temperatures, but also drying us out quite a bit. Now, on the other side of things, if you're like me and we have plants already in our garden, that Canadian high pressure system could drop temperatures back down into the 30s, which means there could be some frost or freezing temperatures. If that's the case and you have those plants outside, I have a video already on YouTube on my channel titled How to Protect Your Plants from a Freeze and Frost. Check it out. I'll be back on Tuesday with another update. Until then, I'm George the Weather Dad.